Radiology procedures. The RAD procedures screen can be accessed from the left-hand navigation menu or via the radiology results section of an e-note, provided that section was included in the template. For more information on template creation and modification, see the Template Builder training module. Note that certain individual radiology results can also be accessed from the prevention and registry screens. We'll begin this training by accessing the RAD procedures screen from the left-hand navigation menu. Here, you'll see two subsections displayed, the Imported RAD Files section and the Radiology Results section. Once the RAD procedures screen is open, you'll see the radiology results for the last 18 months. This is the default time frame, but it can be changed, as you can see later. Abnormal radiology results are easily identified by a red flag. The Imported Radiology Files section allows a user to view and print patient-related radiology reports and images that have been imported into the system. Users can easily see the number of radiology files imported to the system for this patient, as well as the total number of imported files regardless of the file type. For example, this patient summary shows that the number of files that have been uploaded and stored into the system for the patient are, the count for the selected types is 1, and a total count is 2. This means that there's one radiology-related imported file and 2 total imported files, including the radiology file. Clicking the refresh link will update the files if necessary. To view or import a file into the system, click the View Import Files link. Once clicked, a pop-up window will open to show only the files that are related to the radiology tests. To view other files that have been uploaded into the system for this patient, click the Imported Files link found under Patient Tools in the left navigation menu. You can upload a new file into imported files by clicking the Upload File button. Once the Upload File entry page pops up, choose the file by clicking on Browse and enter the other fields as needed. It is important to carefully select the document type so that the file will show under the appropriate sections within the HES system. For example, the user is uploading a radiology test report, so the document type will be Radiology Report. There is also an option for a confidential radiology report file type and a radiology image file type. Finally, click the Upload button. At this point, the file will be uploaded and viewable from the patient's chart. The second section, the Radiology Results section, allows a user to view radiology results, search for radiology results that were previously entered new results, edit results, and add attachments to the radiology results. To view or edit a specific radiology result, click on the pencil icon shown to the left of the test result. The details of the entered result will pop up in a new window. Within this window, a user can edit or update the previously entered result as necessary. Entering a new radiology result is done by clicking the Add Radiology Result link. This will bring up a search page. Simply enter a word from the test name and then click the search button. This will return a list of radiology results that contain the search word. Click on the name of the desired test and enter the appropriate data into the displayed fields. Note that this result entry page is the same as the Edit Result page. Also note that the date, abnormal, and result text fields require data entry as indicated by the red asterisks. For abnormal results, the system will show a red flag in the row for that test. Scanned radiology reports and images can be attached to the radiology result. This feature uses the same imported file functionality found throughout the system. Once you click the Add Attachment to Result button, you're taken to a page where you can select an existing file or add a new imported file as previously shown. Simply select the desired file and click the Add Selected Files. If the desired file is not listed, you'll need to import the file first. Please refer to the Imported Files module for further information on importing files. Now the radiology result is ready to be saved into the system. Click the Save button if no other radiology results are being entered, or click Save and add another to enter an additional radiology result. Click Cancel if you don't want to save this action. If a radiology result has an attachment, a paperclip icon will be shown. A user can search for radiology results within a specific date range by clicking on Search for RADs by date. This will pop up a new window that allows you to narrow the list of radiology results to a specified date range, or you can choose to view all results regardless of date. Once your date choice is made, click on the Get RADs to display the result. The radiology results section looks slightly different when accessed via an eNote template. Here we have selected an eNote that has the radiology results section included, and you can see two important differences. First, the eNote section allows you to choose whether or not to show radiology results that have already been reviewed for this patient. This section also allows you to annotate in that day's encounter documentation whether or not you've reviewed a result. By clicking on the Add to Reviewed RADs link, you can quickly annotate that review as part of your documentation. All other functionality of the radiology results section is the same as if accessed via the left-hand navigation.